Now before we start actual study of metal complexes, it should be kept in the mind that such compounds which have been prepared unlimited in number and also exist in the nature play a vital role in our lives. For example, the green coloring matter of plants, chlorophyll, is a magnesium complex, and the red content of the blood, that is hemoglobin, is a complex of iron. Well, the second part of the chapter is terminology of coordination compounds. For this, consider the complex K4-FeCN6. As shown below, it has 4 free cations in the form of 4 potassium ions. The portion within the square brackets is a complex anion, also known as coordination sphere. Within this sphere, as marked in the figure, iron is central metal atom or ion. The cyanide ions, which are 6 in number, are known as ligands. Or consider the complex shown below. Within a square bracket we have cobalt as central metal atom or ion, surrounded by 6 ammonia molecules which are ligands. Outside the coordination sphere or complex cation, we have free anions in the form of 3 chloride ions. If the complex contain cation and anion both in the complex state, then there shall be 2 coordination spheres. Thus we can define a metal complex as an ion or neutral molecule in the coordination sphere of which a metal atom or ion is bonded by a fixed number of similar or different electron pair donors called ligands. These ligands are bonded to the central metal through coordinate bonds. Hence these compounds are called coordination compounds. It is not necessary that each coordination sphere must have only one metal atom or ion. Their number can be more than one also. Such complexes are called polynuclear complexes. For example, shown below, in which within a square bracket we have 2 cobalt atoms or ions bonded to ligands En(2) on one side, En(2) on another side. The 2 cobalt atoms or ions are bridged by ligands NH2 and OH. Outside the square bracket, we have 2 sulfate ions as free anions. But our course is limited to mononuclear. Let us now discuss in detail the fundamental terms used in the study of a complex. Number 1, ligand. These are generally anions or neutral molecules which are directly attached to the metal atom or ion in the coordination sphere through coordinate bonds. In some rare cases, even a cation may behave like a ligand, provided it too is capable of donating lone pairs. Some examples of ligands are anions, Cl-, Cn- with the structure as shown here, etc. Neutral molecules like ammonia, water, carbon monoxide, etc. Since ligands are electron pair or pairs donors, hence we can call them Lewis bases also. Types of ligands. This classification is based on the number of lone pairs a ligand can donate to bind itself with the central metal atom or ion. A. Monodentate. These ligands have one donor atom each, such that only one lone pair of electrons is donated per ligand.